The most popular question I've been asked is, what type of material can PAC and Pro PAC be applied on? So the answer is any hard surface area. It can be patio slabs, concrete, tar macadam. It can be your house slates or tiles, walls, house walls for the red algae, any porcelain or tile material. PAC and Pro PAC are very effective at controlling green algae, mosses and lichens. So any hard surface area, Pro PAC can be applied on. The next question I get asked is which should be used in domestic areas and which can be used on commercial areas. The regular PAC is suitable for normal garden moss, normal garden algae on hard surface areas. But if you've got larger areas to do, commercial areas or denser moss or denser algae, then I do recommend using the Pro PAC. It's stronger, it covers a larger area and is very effective where moss is heavy or where algae is heavy or where that red algae in particular on walls is heavy and you've large areas to cover. Go for the Pro PAC. The next question I've been asked is, what growth does PAC actually remove? And the answer is quite simple. It removes any green algae, any green mosses. It'll also remove red algae from the house walls, the red staining. It will remove nostoc, which is that slippy jelly material. So any algae, mosses or nostoc, any of that green material, that green scum, slippery material, it will remove from hard surface areas. Once applied, it takes about 5 to 7 days to see the algae and mosses dying away. And finally, you've asked me about when is it safe to let children and pets access the treated area after the application of Pro PAC or PAC, and the answer is once the PAC has dried into the surface, it's totally safe to let your children or your pets access the area. That'll take about 2 hours after treatment.